Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore how to seamlessly integrate System.io with deadline funnels to supercharge your sales funnel strategy. By combining the power of System.io's intuitive platform with Deadline Funnel's deadline-driven marketing tools, you'll create a sense of urgency that drives conversions like never before. Let's dive in. First things first, log into your System.io account by using the link in the description and select the funnel you want to enhance with Deadline Funnels. Next, fine-tune your deadline settings in Deadline Funnels. Specify the deadline date and time, the pages or steps where the deadline applies, and what action to take when the deadline expires. Once everything's set up, it's time to put your integration to the test. Go through your System.io funnel as a user would, and make sure the Deadline Funnels tracking code is working correctly and your deadlines are being displayed as intended. As your funnel runs, keep a close eye on its performance. Monitor key metrics like conversion rates and sales to gauge the impact of your deadline-driven marketing strategy. And there you have it. With System.io and Deadline Funnels working together, you'll create a sense of urgency that compels your audience to take action and drive your sales to new heights. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try System.io for free.